pong muli ang inyong abang lingkod, Doc Tito Rejano na. Marami pong salamat.
Hello, scientists! I am Guanzon, Teacher Paul Guanzon.
And I am Ma'am Shell. We are your adventure partners. Well, partner, I think this lesson for sure will be double in fun and learning.
Run!
Why?
Run! Come and join us as we blast off the time machine for a new learning.
Come on! Start the machine! Hurry!
Come on and join us and let's Earth. Imagine Earth.
Our lesson is for you to master the nature of Earth and life science intended for grade 11 senior high school. Today, we will teleport to the past exploring the geologic time scale, relative and absolute dating, and geologic timeline. For us to be guided in our lessons, here are our objectives. 1. Name and characterize each major division and subdivision in the geologic time scale and describe how relative and absolute dating provide evidence of geologic history. Number 2. Define fossils and each type and determine how they are used to track geologic history.
Before we proceed, here are our reminders. Check your prior knowledge of the lesson from your junior high school science subject. Listen and pay attention to the details. And bring with you your paper and pen for jotting down the important concepts in our lessons.
Where did you take us?
I really don't know.
What is that?
Oh, that is nothing. Perhaps.
Hey! That's a meteor! It looks beautiful! And it's coming this way! Do something!
Wait! What if we see the T-Rex again?
Hurry!
Whoa! Roche! We're gonna need to answer some questions again!
What? Come on! What are the questions? Quick! It's getting closer!
What type of rocks are fossils made of? A. Igneous rock. B. Sedimentary rock. C. Metamorphic rock. D. All of the above. The answer is B. Sedimentary rock. Am I right? Cool!
What do you call the person who studies fossils and ancient life? A. Biologist. B. Archaeologist. C. Anthropologist. D. paleontologist. What do you think is the answer? Hurry! Oh yes! You got it! It's letter D. Paleontologist.
What do you call the process by which the remains of ancient living things are turned into rock? A. Fertilization. B. Fossilization. C. Fragmentation. And D. Metamorphosis. Whoa! This one is easy, right? The correct answer is fossilization. Letter B.
Phew! What a relief! Look at the size of that thing! Sir Paul, since you paused the meteor from striking, do you have any idea where we are?
I think we're a long way from our present time.
Gee, you think? I think we are in the Mesozoic era.
Era? Do you know what she's talking about, adventurers?
Yes, era. Have you heard about the Earth's history through its geologic records and timeline?
Oh, I remember. Earth's history, including its rock strata, the rock studies and discoveries, as well as the fossils, are preserved in one of the most important materials known as geologic record. The geologic time scale is a very important concept in geology because it serves as a standard timeline that is used to describe the age of rocks, fossils, and the events that formed them.
Correct! Knowing about how life began in the past and the events and principles behind Earth's history enables us to better adapt to the changes or consequences that we might encounter or experience in the near future. As a part of the new generation, we should be appreciative and accept